Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple function that reverses a string in C++. So first thing we need to do is a function that returns a string to us, the reversed string, and we call it reverse str, and the parameter should be our str that we get input from user. So the first thing we need to do is make a local variable that contains the original string for us. We pass the parameter to it, and then we need a container for reverse string, so we call it str reverse, and we initialize it with nothing. Then we need for that I equals to str original dot size in C++, because every size of operator, or whenever we do a string original dot size, and these two options give us one more size than the actual size of the string, because in C++ we have this, and it's basically just array of const characters in memory, and the actual one string is equals to this. So basically this string is str I n and then g, not new line, this is null terminator. So basically the all of the string in C++, when we get size and size of this, size of any string in C++, it gives us one more size than the actual string of the actual size of a string. So basically this, instead of 1 2 3 4 5 6, with these tools, with these functions, with these operators, it will give us 7 because of null terminator. So we need either use str original dot or std strlen, and then we should pass the string to it. If I goes right, yep. And then we need to decrease the size that, as I told you previously, by 1 to get the actual size of a string, and then I greater equal than 0, I minus, and then we have to make a temporary character and call it last temp equals to str original I, and then str reverse equals to plus equals to last temp, and then we should return an actual one, and we call it in main cout reverse string hello. Okay, the basic thing is to do is that the for statement gives the original size of the size of the original string, and then it basically walk through the string from the last one. For example, we have hello here as an input. It goes get the last one, which is w, and put the w in our first string. This is our string that contains w, and then we go through the next one, the previous one of the string, and we got O, and put this here. L, here, 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 here. So it started from the last character of a string because of the size, v minus, and work through the string. So the last string that we get from the last part of our str original goes and append to the str reverse, and then we reverse the value. Let's go ahead and test it. Sorry. Let's build it first. Okay. Base. Just how it works. So everything should be passed, and can we write, for example, this is our tutorial, and build it. This is how it works, and that's it. Let me see your comments. Let me read your comments. If you have something for me, please comment it out, and thanks for watching.